Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of TikTok slang. You know how Gen Z and millennials love their unique terms. So, let's get right into it. First up, PMTTWAMOWM. This one's been causing quite a stir. It stands for pin me to a wall and make out with me. Yep, it's a bit raunchy and it's best used in flirtatious exchanges or with your romantic partner. As you can see, many TikTok users were caught off guard by the meaning. Some found it hilarious, while others were like, why didn't I know this earlier when trying to shoot my shot? Now let's check out some other trending acronyms on TikTok this year. ALR, alright. AS, Adult Swim. BMS, Broke My Scale. Cotton 4K, when someone's entire attention is captured. GIET or GIET, explain the context if needed. KLM, calm or okay. OMF, one of my followers. TWF, that feeling when. Gear WM, get ready with me, and there you have it folks, the meaning behind PMTTWAMOWM and some of the hottest slang acronyms of 2023. Stay in the loop, and remember to like and subscribe for more fun content like this. Catch you in the next video.